Find features that distinguish it from other brands for GOYJOY Smart Pet Water Fountain, Wireless Cat Water Fountain No Filter, and why you should buy choose. Because it consists of the following features. Clean and wastewater separation design. Pet drink more water. Unlike water circulating pet fountain, this Smart Pet Water Fountain No Filter has the unique patent design of clean water tank, dirty water tank and water bowl separation. No circulating sewage water, regularly supply fresh water, tipping wastewater that contains fur and food residues. Your pets will start to drink more water, it will promote hydration and health for them with ease. No filters cost and hassle. Compared to most pet water fountains, Smart Pet Water Fountain no need filters, you don't have to keep buying expensive filters or replacement it regularly. Save a large cost and worry-free. Pets drink dirty water when long time don't replace filters. Wireless Cat Water Fountain automatically provides fresh water at regular time, ensure that every sip of water your furry friends drink is fresh. Made of BPA-free food-grade material, safe for pets. Large capacity and 180 days of battery life. With a 3.5 liters or 118 ounces reservoir, you don't have to refill it frequently. Perfect for cats, multi-cats, or small dogs, keep pets well hydrated when you go out. Powered by 2000 mAh built-in rechargeable battery, the Cat Water Fountain cordless provides up to 180 days of battery life. Your pets can enjoy fresh, clean water anywhere they want without worrying about power outlets or cords, offering great flexibility. The cordless cat water fountain is silent, it doesn't disturb the household or scare your pet. Easy to assemble and clean. Designed with a snap-on structure, wireless pet water fountain can be assembled and disassembly in seconds. Touch electronic screen design. Easy to set the time and volume of water supply and replacement according to your pet's preferences. The Cat Water Fountain wireless intelligently tipping wastewater from the bowl and removing fur and impurities, ensure every sip is fresh and clean. Just need to clean the water bowl, it can be disassembly for cleaning in seconds. You don't need to clean the clean water tank even for a month. Equipped with a silicone mat. Our pet food mats are made of 100% premium food-grade silicone and are safe for pets, effectively preventing pets from eating food that has been soiled by the floor. Also, it is waterproof and that water can be contained to the top side of mats, prevent water from seeping into the floor and causing damage. Easy to clean and conveniently carried, great for travel. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.